Bubba. Big hurrah, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Like I'm freezing standing out here on the My dogs freezing. They won't even stay outside. And my pony all frozen. See the wind? Woo! It is cold out. Not good for the toes, I'm sure. Nope, not good for my feet. Oh well. Ooh, burr, huh? Too cold for you guys. Yeah, we know, huh? We know. Yeah, talk to me. Oh, stretch, bye baby.